Hello guys, so we're here again at our ads hunting session. So our feature game for today is Cleveland Cavaliers versus the San Antonio Spurs. So before we proceed, let's just see our record. It's 1-3, 1 win, 3 loss. So I lost again earlier today, 76ers minus 4. I didn't expect it to be like that. At the end of the first quarter, the score is 10 to 33. 76ers has led 20, 23 points at the first quarter, but luckily the Warriors have managed to cover the spread, but they still lose the game, but they cover the spread, so we lost. Our bet is lost. So now let's proceed to our game. So Spurs versus Cavaliers. Spurs has 15 wins and 6 losses, number 4 in the West, while the Cavaliers has 13 wins and 10 losses. They are number 8 on the East. So the game will happen Friday, December 5, 2025 at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is December 6, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. in Manila. So where? Rocket Arena in Cleveland, Ohio. So it's one of the factors to consider, the home court advantage. So let's give the home court advantage to the Cleveland Cavaliers. So the spread, Spurs is plus 5, while Cavaliers have minus 5, and over and under is 238.5. So factors to consider, so the Spurs have, so in the health and availability, the Spurs have Stephen Cassell out and Victor Wembanyama out, while the Cavaliers have Darius Garland out, Max Strus out, Jarrett Allen out, Sam Merrill out, Larry Nance Jr. out. So obviously, the San Antonio Spurs have the edge when it comes to the injury report. So even though Victor Wembanyama is one of their best player, but still there are a lot of starter out. Darius Garland and Jarrett Allen are starters and they are out. So I think we're gonna give it to the sa, sa San Antonio Spurs. Even though Victor Wembanyama is out there, they still look good with the help of the Aaron Fox. So let's go. Fatigue. Both team is coming off a 1 day rest. So as you can see, they they last played at December 4, 2025. That's in Manila. So that's 5 on the that's 12 December 3 Eastern time. So they are coming off both rest. So 1 day rest. So let's keep this part. So momentum. San Antonio Spurs have triumphed in back-to-back games. So Cleveland Cavaliers lost when they last took the court. So they lost to the Portland. The Cavaliers have won 5 and lost 5 of their previous 10 contests. So the Cavaliers are 50-50 right now. The Spurs have win 7 and lost 3 in the past 10 games. So obviously the Spurs have the more momentum. The team does have more momentum right now, and they won on the road last time versus the Grizzlies, while the Cavaliers have lost versus the Portland. So matchup, 8 victories for the Cavaliers in previous 10 head-to-head matchup. So the Cavaliers have edge when it comes to matchup. The last head-to-head saw the Cavaliers claim a 114-113 win over the Spurs at Frostbank Center. So let's go now for our prediction. Our final pick is Spurs plus 5. So why Spurs plus 5? Everything I see on the fact of on my factors to consider goes with the San Antonio Spurs. Their health and availability is better than the Cavaliers. Their momentum is great. The only thing I see that is the Cavaliers lost on their home court and the Spurs are winning away. So the Spurs are winning on the road. So the only thing I see that the Cavaliers have an edge is their head-to-head matchup. So they won 8 on their last 10 matchup. But I think it's gonna be new for them, or they can win. But I think it's gonna be a close game. But even though money line, I still think Spurs can handle. But for safety purposes, I go Spurs plus 5. So again, Spurs plus 5. So and that's it. Thank you guys. So if you are enjoying my videos, please like and don't forget and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos like this, you will be notified. So that's all guys, and thank you.